Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make a recipe. The recipe was called, or it's called, rum chicken. But it only took like 3 tablespoons of rum, and I didn't taste the rum at all. So I started looking at different other recipes. I got a rum recipe, but it also takes honey. So I'm gonna combine those two recipes that I found, the one that I made before and another one that I found. So I'm gonna combine them and I'm gonna make my own. Okay? Let me bring you down here to the stove and show you what we're doing. And show you what we're doing down here at the stove. Okay, I have 5 chicken thigh. It has bone and it has skin. They have bone and they have skin. Let me just rinse them so I can take out some of that blood that it has in there. Okay, I just rinsed them a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna add the chorizo, This is gonna get a really beautiful color, but it needs to cook more. We still need to cook that bacon more. Okay, I'm gonna take out the chorizo because I don't want it to burn. And the bacon still needs to cook a little bit more. It already have the color and the taste of the chorizo. So the bacon is totally cooked. Totally cooked. I'm gonna take it out of here. Nice and crispy. We're going to take some of this oil from here. We're going to take some of it out. Okay, I just took a little bit out, not too much. Because now what we're going to do, we're going to put the chicken in here. Chicken in here. I'm going to put 3 to begin, then put the other. We're going to wait till they brown some on that side, and then we're going to turn. I bet maybe about 2 minutes or so. And let me check to see how they're doing. Okay, let's turn it. Let's leave it there for a little while longer so the other side will brown. Okay, so I'm going to take these out for now. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to brown the other two. They're not done yet. Not even close to being done. Let me leave that one there, like that. We'll just put these other two. Okay, so now let me turn these now.
That smells delicious.
I hope it tastes delicious too. Okay, so let me turn off the stove for a moment and let me take them out of the or the frying pan. Put this frying pan to the side. We're not gonna get rid of that yet. Got a lot of delicious flavors there. Okay, so now, and I got a pot, a deep pot here, and I'm gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil, just a little bit of vegetable oil. And I have 4 garlic cloves here. So let's turn on the stove. I'm gonna turn it on and put it in medium. Okay, so I'm gonna put garlic in here. Just cook it there for a few minutes, not too much because it might burn. So it doesn't burn, you just cook it for a few minutes. Like maybe 30 seconds, no more than a minute. Okay, so it's been cooking for 1 minute. I can smell it, but they're not burned. So I have 1 cup of chicken broth. I'm gonna put some ketchup. Maybe like 1/8 of a cup, maybe like 2 or 3 tablespoons. Soy sauce, I buy the low sodium, and maybe like about a 1/4 cup of that. Garlic powder, paprika, onion powder.
How much rum did you put?
Not yet. I'm gonna put half a cup of rum, but not yet. And move this around. Yeah, I'm gonna put half cup more. Half a cup more of the chicken broth. Okay, now we're gonna add the honey. I would say about 2 tablespoons of the honey. Let me taste it and see what this tastes like. It's really good, but let's add more honey. Okay, I'm gonna add more honey. It's delicious, but I think it needs a little more sweet. Let me lower it to medium until I finish putting the honey. I don't want it to be too sweet, but it needs honey. It doesn't taste like honey yet. Okay, now we're gonna put the chicken in here. That looks delicious. Gonna add this little grease, and we're gonna add the bacon and the chorizo. Okay, so I cut the bacon in smaller pieces, and now I'm gonna insert it in here, and the chorizo as well. Okay, Okay, now I'm gonna cover it so it cooks, and I'm gonna put it in medium low and cook it there at medium low. Let me cover it for a little while. I want some of that sauce to reduce, but not too much. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the bacon. And I'm gonna add the bacon. I already added the bacon. Okay. Also, I'm gonna add the rum. I have half a cup of rum, which I'm gonna add it right now. So the alcohol will burn out. So, okay, now I'm gonna cover it and cook it there, cover for a little while. And I have it in medium low. Okay, it's been cooking like for about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna turn them over. I'm gonna make some white rice to go with this chicken. Another way I could have done it was I could have put the bacon on top of it instead of putting it in here, so it wouldn't get like kind of soggy. But okay, so it's been cooking for about 45 minutes, more or less. 45 minutes, and it should be done. But it's been cooking in very low heat. I've had the stove in medium low, and I've been turning it around every once in a while. I just go ahead and turn it, and it has the bacon and the chorizo in there. With white rice, I'm gonna serve it, and with tabbouleh. If you want to see my tabbouleh recipe, I have it there on my channel. But I'm gonna serve it like that. Serve this way. A little bit of white rice, and I'm gonna put tabbouleh salad. Okay, there it is. Honey rum chicken, my own creation. So I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my other videos. Until the next time. Bueno, bye.